How to reset Shark Robot Vacuum. Shark Robot Vacuum is a smart cleaner that vacuums and mops floors automatically, hands-free. Here's how to reset your Shark Robot Vacuum. Make sure the robot is fully charged or placed on its dock. Open the Sharklian app on your phone. Ensure your robot vacuum is connected and online in the app. Tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Factory Reset or Reset Robot. Confirm the reset when prompted. The robot will power off and begin resetting itself. Wait for the robot to reboot. It may take a few minutes. After reboot, reconnect it to your Wi-Fi via the app. Reconfigure your cleaning schedule and preferences. Let it remap your rooms during the next cleaning session. Test the robot to ensure it's working properly after reset. Thanks for watching.